don't know. Where you want to go?
I guess we are going to South Carolina. Got an old Dodge truck, 2 Thunderbirds, and supposedly a Studebaker.
Studebaker. I guess that'll help getting fuel before you actually go there.
Yep. Is that unless you plan on pushing?
We can get 2 mules while we're down there. Haul this whole thing down there. Hey guys, welcome to HUNTRMAN video, and today I'm doing a ride along with Tex, picking up a 1962 Studebaker. So let's see how this goes. Got up really early and we're already in South Carolina, so we're about halfway there. Says we're right near Blacksburg. I think that's South Carolina, so I think we're roughly about an hour away from our destination now. So yeah, should be interesting here soon. Alright, so we just stopped over at a Stop a Minute. Apparently they've been in service since 1977. Not sponsored, but check them out. Here apparently we're like 2 minutes away now, so we'll be pulling up to it soon. We can figure out where it is.
Talking about the bush and yeah, I ain't too much of a big deal.
A little crusty.
Yeah, go over, check it out.
Hold on. Damn, Bo. That's
A lot of rust around those fenders, that's for sure.
what's that?
It's a lot of rust down below, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
I mean it's I've seen worse, but I was hoping it'd be better.
Yeah. Seen a couple holes going through the floor over here.
See, this is there's no post. This is the rear part of it. But it's already been signed. Hey,
Okay.
Bo.
Alright, so what they're doing now is they're bidding, pretty much trying to get an actual price together. Trying to negotiate. I don't really want to add that in, only due to it's kind of personal. Whatever they decide, if Tex wants to say afterwards, he can say it if he wants to. It's just none of my business. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.